The 12 passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. Realistic ways to build wealth. Imagine waking up every morning knowing you've already made money before checking your phone. That sounds like a dream, but for millions of Americans, it's becoming reality. The truth is, passive income doesn't mean no work. It means doing the work up front so your money or your system can keep earning later. In this video, I'll reveal 12 passive income ideas that actually work in 2026, from beginner-friendly options to strategies used by millionaires. Let's dive in. First, dividend stocks. Dividend investing remains one of the most reliable passive income strategies. Many established companies share part of their profits with investors through quarterly dividend payments. Instead of relying only on stock price growth, dividend investors get paid simply for owning shares. The key is consistency and long-term investing. Second, high-yield savings accounts. Leaving money in a traditional savings account often earns very little interest. High-yield savings accounts typically offer much better returns, keeping your cash accessible. This is one of the safest ways to earn passive income on emergency savings. Third, rental real estate. Owning rental property can generate monthly cash flow while the property may also increase in value over time. Although managing property requires effort, many investors hire property managers to make the income more passive. Fourth, REITs. Don't want to buy a house? Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, let investors earn income from real estate without owning physical property. Many REITs also pay regular dividends. Fifth, YouTube automation. You don't have to appear on camera. Many creators build channels using scripts, voiceover artists, editors, and AI tools. Once videos rank in search, they can continue generating ad revenue for years. Sixth, digital products. Create an ebook, sell budgeting templates, design printable planners, build an online course. You create the product once and can sell it repeatedly without holding inventory. Seventh, affiliate marketing. Recommend products through YouTube, blogs, websites, or newsletters. When someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission. The best affiliate businesses focus on trust rather than constant selling. Eighth, print on demand. Sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and accessories without storing inventory. Products are only printed after a customer places an order. This keeps startup costs low. Ninth, license your photos or videos. If you enjoy photography or videography, your content can earn royalties when businesses or creators license it. One quality photo or video can generate income multiple times. 10th, mobile apps or software. Creating a useful app or software tool can generate recurring subscription revenue. Even simple productivity apps can become valuable if they solve a real problem. 11th, sell online courses. People are willing to pay to learn valuable skills. Whether it's budgeting, investing, graphic design, coding, or fitness, online education continues to grow every year. One well-made course can produce income for years. 12th, build an investment portfolio. The most powerful passive income system is owning assets, stocks, ETFs, dividend funds, real estate. The larger your portfolio becomes, the harder your money works for you. Passive